Welcome to this English lesson on modal verbs, small words with big power. Today we'll focus on 3 of the most commonly used modal verbs in real life. Would, should, could. The secret tools of fluent English speakers. By the end of this, you'll be confident using them in your daily conversations. And you'll also get practice examples to speak aloud. And guess what? I've created a free practice worksheet you can download at the end of this lesson. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs that express possibility, necessity, ability, permission, or advice. Let's start with would. Would. Polite, imaginary, or hypothetical situations. Would is used to talk about polite requests or offers. Express imaginary situations. Say what you would prefer or like. Real-life examples: I would like to have a cup of coffee. Used to order politely at a cafe. If I had more time, I would travel the world, talking about a dream or wish. Would you help me carry this bag? Making a polite request. It's practice time. Repeat after me. Say it out loud. I would like to order a pizza with extra cheese. Repeat after me. I would like to order a pizza with extra cheese. Pause the video and repeat 2 or more times. I would buy that phone if it were cheaper. Repeat after me. I would buy that phone if it were cheaper. Would you like to join us for dinner? Repeat after me. Would you like to join us for dinner? Should. Advice, recommendation, or expectation. Should is used to give advice or suggestions. Talk about what's right or expected. Show obligation, but softer than must. Real-life examples. You should drink more water every day. Giving healthy advice. Students should complete their homework on time. Expected action. Should I call her now or later? Asking for advice. Practice time. Speak these lines. You should visit that temple. It's beautiful. Repeat after me. You should visit that temple. It's beautiful. Pause the video and repeat 2 or more times. Should we take a taxi or the bus? Repeat after me. Should we take a taxi or the bus? He should be home by now. Repeat after me. He should be home by now. Could. Possibility, polite request, or past ability. Could is used to talk about possibilities. Make polite requests. Say what someone was able to do in the past. Real-life examples. It could rain later, so take an umbrella. A possible future event. Could you help me with this file? Polite way to ask for help. When I was a child, I could swim very well. Past ability. Practice time. Say these out loud. Could we meet tomorrow afternoon? Repeat after me. Could we meet tomorrow afternoon? She could speak 5 languages by age 10. Repeat after me. She could speak 5 languages. It could be dangerous to walk alone at night. Repeat after me. It could be dangerous to walk alone at night. Quick recap. Would equals polite offers, desires, unreal situations. Should equals advice or what's right. Could equals possibilities, abilities, polite permission. Mini practice quiz. Say your answers aloud. You feel tired. What advice would you give yourself? Take a nap. You want to order in a restaurant. What do you say? Like to have the pasta. Asking for help politely at the office. You help me with the printer. Express a past ability. Ride a bike when I was 5. Talking about a good suggestion to a friend. You talk to your teacher about it. Don't worry about being perfect. Practice brings progress. And you're already doing great. Bonus tip. When you want to sound polite, professional, or respectful in English, using would, should, and could helps a lot. Try using them in your daily conversations from now on. Challenge for you. You see your friend struggling to carry heavy bags. What would you say using would, could, or should? Comment your sentence below using one of these modal verbs. Example: I could help you with those bags. Don't worry about mistakes, just comment what you think. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spoken English lessons. And don't forget to download the free practice worksheet in the description.